Hi guys, I am Maria Isabel 89, a BSID student. For today, let's talk about the Fibonacci sequence. So, what is Fibonacci sequence? Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. Fibonacci sequence appears in surprising numbers of places in nature. Examples: leaf arrangement. Well, the way leaves are arranged on a stem can also exhibit Fibonacci sequence. Second, the branching. The branching patterns of trees can sometimes follow a Fibonacci sequence. The third one is the flower. Well, flowers have different numbers of petals, like this one. Flowers with 5 petals are said to be the most common. Well, have you noticed that these numbers are all Fibonacci sequence? Yes.